For this project, I'm going to be working on my son's 1987 or 1989, I'm not sure which year exactly, Chevy Blazer. I'm going to be upgrading his fuel line, and I've already disconnected part of his fuel line with the filter, as well as remove his mechanical fuel pump, which I'll be installing after I complete the upper portion of his fuel line. And as you can see, here's the fuel line. I removed it from the Edelbrock. There's what I assume is called a male nipple. It was attached to that. The filter in turn was attached here. I've removed this, and what I'll be replacing it with is a static fuel line that's provided by Edelbrock that's supposedly designed for this particular carburetor. I've already loosened the male nipple, and it just comes out very easily, isn't very far. And what I'm going to be doing next is taking the static fuel line with the filter already attached. I'll be sliding it under here, or in like this, I'm sorry, in like this. It does fit. I did a pre-run on it. Attach, thread the bolt with the fuel feed hole in it into the carburetor, and then that should be it. And the next part of this video, I'll show you what the completed project looks like. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've installed everything, and this is what it finally looks like. You can see the bolt with the static fuel line attached to the Edelbrock carburetor. It goes under the wires. You can see it's right there, fits in real nice and snug. The filter's attached, and we're ready to move on to the next part of the install, which I'll do another video for, and that will be attaching this fuel line to the filter, which will run down to the mechanical pump, which is ready to be installed right here, and the old one's behind it. And just in case attaching it, these two ports here. And once that's done, the fuel line is buried down in there. You might not be able to see it or see it. I'll attach that to the mechanical pump, and then we'll see if it works. Thank you for watching.